A warning tone activates, sharp, repetitive, automated. This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. It is not a test. A system was triggered before the end. It overrides local programming. It repeats at fixed intervals. Every 8 minutes, radio stations comply automatically. Television feeds interrupt. Digital signage switches to alert mode. No operator remains to cancel the sequence. Backup generators keep transmitters active. Remote towers relay the signal across regions. The message loops. Day, night, day again. There is no escalation, no update, just repetition. The alert was designed to persist until confirmation of safety. Confirmation never arrives. Eventually, fuel runs out. Batteries drain. Transmitters fall silent one by one. But for a time, the last sound in human cities is not a scream. It is a standardized tone preceding a message addressed to no one. And here is the mechanical truth. Warnings do not require listeners. They require power. As long as energy flows, the system speaks. When the power fails, the message does not end. It simply stops.